Hey
Kids,
kids!
welcome to JAJA and MITO'S world!
Yes, welcome kids to JAJA's and MITO'S world. Today, we're going to make a clothing image and
a
then
picture.
a trick. Paper towel trick. You wanna see it? So what we need? We need a water, of
And this
course.
is a trick.
We need a
Then a Dunkin' Donut.
we need the Dunkin' Donut. Where's the Dunkin' Donut?
Now, what's
You
that?
show. You
It's
show
a
them.
donut?
Show them. Show them.
Macy?
Macy,
Can
Macy.
you give me a donut?
Oh no! It's not a donut! It's a pie! Okay, let's do it, kid. Let's do it. Oh. Hey. Oh, look. Place a little amount of water here. This is the what do you call?
A pen.
A paper towel trick. We already did some drawing, simple drawing. Oh, what's this? Look, what's this?
A spider web.
A spider web. Look what will happen.
This is a spider then.
Oh, a spider web. Look what will happen to
A
spider web.
A spider.
Oh, there's a spider. Look,
Macy, wow.
there's a spider. Another. Let's see. Oh,
I'm gonna do the fish.
another.
I'm gonna do the
trick.
fish.
Later.
I'm gonna do the
Okay, wait.
fish.
Don't push. We're showing them our trick. Oh,
Mommy,
put a little
me.
amount of water and then you. What is this?
A fish.
Oh, you eat this. You're not supposed to show. Look, what will happen to the fish? Oh, there's plenty of fish. Oh, look what happened. Yes, that's funny, huh? You're showing our trick. Next. What is this?
A sun and a mountain.
A sign of a mountain. Let's see. You put a little amount of water here on
My
our plate.
pen
What will
again.
happen?
It will
You're
turn
showing them again.
It will turn the house and a tree.
What will happen? Oh, there's a house. There's a tree. Look, that's nice. Okay. So that's what you call a paper towel trick. All right. And our next. You know how to do it? Oh, let's try. Let's teach our kids how to do it. Oh, look, kids.
Me. I will do it. I will draw.
No, you draw.
I will draw.
What?
Yeah. I'm
What?
gonna draw that.
Oh, you draw.
I have
You show
to.
them. Oh, make it big, huh? You make it big. Don't fail me this time, okay?
Okay.
Make sure. Oh, what's that? What's that? You tell them. What's that?
Those are teeth.
What?
A teeth.
Huh?
A tip.
A tip? What's a tip?
Teeth.
Ah, teeth, okay. That's a teeth with a tartar?
No,
Oh, look.
this the vampire teeth.
That's a vampire teeth. Oh, look. And then, oh, what will happen?
It will.
Oh, what's it? Where is the trick?
I have to color it in the side.
And then,
Here. Give me color orange.
okay.
It will transfer
Don't
to.
fail me.
I
I told you.
It will turn it to orange.
You don't fail me.
It's gonna turn to orange.
You gonna turn to orange, really?
Yes.
Oh, let's see. Finish.
Yes, I'm finished.
Finish.
It will turn to two.
Oh, let's see.
Let's
see. Oh, this one.
It
Try
will
this
work.
one. We're going to
that
draw later in that next plate. Oh, let's see what happened. Oh, what happened? Oh, there's a tartar. Look what happened to the vampire stick.
It's just only one.
Okay,
Just only one.
That's
So
nice.
that's the
That's
trick.
nice. That's a trick.
That's the
The
trick.
trick is you draw.
Because it's just already 3 teeth.
Oh, that's a trick. That's a tartar. Next, we're going to make a claw.
Upside down, upside down.
Oh, that's enough. it's okay. It's already done.
Funny.
Oh, next
Drum
activity.
and Joey.
We're going to make a floating image.
Yes. My turn,
We're
me.
going to use a marker.
I'm gonna draw something.
Oh, can do something.
I wanna draw
What?
a basketball.
Basketball, look. Make it big. You make it big. Is it gonna float? Are you sure?
Yeah, it's gonna float.
Okay. Later, my turn.
No, what's gonna
Is that a basketball? Spider-Man. Finish? Are you
Not
finished?
yet.
What's that?
I think
That's a ball. Oh, let's see.
It's a
Let's see.
Star Wars.
Oh, let's see.
Is
Let's see.
it a basketball person?
It's
It's so funny.
it's so funny. What's that?
Is a sports guy? Is a sports?
Oh,
A sports.
it's my turn. It's my turn. Okay, you can. I do
You
some
drew.
trick. Oh, look. I'm going to draw a boy. B-O-Y. Boy. And then, look what will happen to a boy.
You transform into a boy.
Yes, what will happen to a boy?
Right.
Hey, look. Oh, looks like a boy.
I'm just drawing
Oh,
Spider-Man. Spider-Man.
Okay.
I'm drawing Spider-Man.
Okay, what will happen to Spider-Man? Is it gonna float?
Yes, it's always. I'm too scared.
Oh, look but look what will happen. Hey, watch. Watch, kid, what will happen? Is it gonna float?
It's
Let's
gonna.
see.
It's that we kind of float.
Yes,
It floats.
you made it. Oh, what? You stay here. Oh, what about this gun? What about this one?
A
Oh,
ball.
look.
Ooh.
What will happen to the boy?
Spider-Man's head just
Oh,
fell.
look, what will happen to the
No,
boy?
Spider-Man's head.
Hey,
But his body is not there.
Hey.
Let's
It's time with a boy. Oh, a boy became a grandpa. Look what happened. Oh, it made. Oh, what happened? Turns into a minion. Oh, that's it, kid. That's the trick. You
How about Spider-Man's
simply put
body?
an image in your plate
What did it?
and then pour in some little amount of water. Then you're gonna see an image floating. Oh, that's it for today.
Oh, the body's
hey.
not broken.
It's floating.
See, the body's not broken. It's not broken.
It's like a worm.
Yeah, what?
It's like a worm. So that's it. Say goodbye now. Say goodbye
Bye.
now. Hey kids, goodbye now. Remember, learning is
Bye, exciting.
fun and exciting. You're not excited. Hey. Fun and exciting. That's it for now, kids. See you next time. Bye.